Hello, writers. Mrs. Ward here. I hope you are doing well. So I'm going to talk to you about what you're going to be doing during your afternoon writing time today. So this morning you got to live stream with your teacher and you got to work on writing together. And what we did this morning during writing is we found a stuffed animal and we held it and we looked closely at it and we noticed lots of different details. Because when you actually touch an object and you get to hold it, you get to notice and find so much more about it than just looking at it with our eyes. So when you get to touch things, you notice and you get to see so many more details. So this morning during writing, you got to hold and look closely at a stuffed animal, and then you got to sketch and add some labels to your stuffed animal sketch. So what we're going to do during our afternoon writing time is we're going to revisit, which means we're going to go back to the writing that we did this morning. And we're going to kind of make it a little bit fancier and we're going to add more to it. So I'm going to give you some different choices that you can work on during your afternoon writing time today. So this morning you did your sketch and your labels, and I think you probably added a title. But if you didn't add a title, you're going to go back and make sure that this line right here has a title that matches what your sketch is. So my sketch was of pigeon. So maybe my title might be pigeon or my stuffed animal, because remember, my title has to match what my sketch is. So your one choice is to make sure that you have a title. The second thing that you can do is you could always add more detail to your sketch. So maybe you notice something else about your stuffed animal and you want to go back and add more detail to your sketch. So that's another choice. Your next choice is to add more labels. We're supposed to have at least 3, but you can certainly have more than 3 labels. So maybe you want to add more labels. Your next choice is to add some color to your sketch. So make sure that your color matches the colors of your stuffed animal. All right. And then your last choice is to maybe add a sentence to match your sketch. So a sentence maybe could be like, I like to play with my stuffed animal. I like to sleep with my stuffed animal. All right. And those are just some example ones. So today you have choices and you could do all of those. You could do some of those, or you could do one of those. But this afternoon during writing, we're going to go back to our writing from this morning and we're going to add more detail to it. So again, you're going to look for your title, what details you can add to your sketch, other labels that you can add color, and you can add a sentence. All right, so I hope you have fun today during writing, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.